What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your nearby friends or people nearby you. How we can find them. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up the Snapchat app. After opening up the app, you have to go to your profile. So after going to profile, you have to scroll a little bit down. Then you can see here is a snap map. You have to click on this snap map. After clicking on snap map, you can see as a option settings icon. You have to click on this top right corner. So please guys, make sure if this option is turned on, just like this. If the ghost mode is turned on, you can find your nearby people on Snapchat. You have to turn it off, and you have to turn, if this option is turned off also, you have to turn it off also, just like this. So make sure this two option, there's ghost mode and hide my live location, this two option is turned off. So after making sure that, you have to go back on snap map. Then you can zoom in and zoom out. You can see here is a bunch of people around me. You can pretty much see their profile and see their recently snapped on their profile, and you can add them. So this is how you can find nearby people or friends on your Snapchat app. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.